yung getting to the voters is becoming more difficult these days. Bakit? Di ba yung internet at social media mas madali?
Mahirap mag-conclude tungkol sa social media now. Potentially, it has tremendous potential. Empirically, we cannot measure how good social media could be in reaching out to the candidates. Wala pa kasi nag-aaral ng demographics niya. Wala nag-aaral. Hypothetically, it is good. Una-una, libre. Libre. You can run your ads, etc. No? But for example, between social media and television ads would still be the priority.
Sir, you understand yung talk is about candidates connecting to the voters. Pero how come, sir, walang at least sa last 3 elections, wala akong nakita na ad na disability inclusive. Walang at least attempt to connect with, with deaf voters or blind voters.
Kasi sa lumalabas sa survey, hindi siya election issue.
Ang alin, sir, yung disabled? Well, sir, kasi I think, I think the reason why, sir, hindi sila issue kasi hindi sila na-reach out. For example,
no, I'm not saying that they're not an issue. What I'm saying is, if the surveys say they're not an issue, the politicians will not touch it. Whether it is an important demographic or not is beside the point. Kung ano yung mabasa ng strategist at saka ng politiko doon sa survey, he works around that. Di ba, over the past 10 years, pag tinanong ang botante, ano ba ang problema ng bansa na kailangan mo lutasin? O anong number 1?
Kahirapan.
Economic issue lagi. Kawalan ng trabaho, number 1 yan. Pangatlo yung graft and corruption. Noong 2010 na magic lang yan, naging number 1 ang graft and corruption. Pero ngayon, hindi na naman siya number 1. Number 3 na naman siya.